Wow. I am back on the WR. In a place, I think I found the Mecca. The Mecca of playgrounds for dirt bikes and stuff. This is insane. There's tire marks up on that basically cliff. So what the hell? Holy crap, this is sick. So yeah, I was riding on the trails one time, and I saw some dudes riding some four-wheelers, and they told me that there was a bunch of places to ride. So what I did, I went on Google Maps, and I kind of just zoned in on the location I thought he was talking about, and I saw a whole bunch of cool stuff. Well, it looked like cool stuff, and yeah, I found it, and it looks sick, and this is insane, and I'm scared to do anything like that. Whoa, this is nice. I'm gonna go up this hill. Whoa, it's sketchy with the sand though. This is sick. Oh man. Wow. Now this is a hill. I mean, to me anyways. This is insane. I think I could do it if I just screw up it, but oh man, maybe some other time. Holy crap, I'm all by myself, so I don't, if I was riding with somebody, I'd be less reluctant. I'd be more willing to try out stuff like this, but this is just insane. I don't know, maybe I'll do some more exploring, see what's going on. Man, I haven't been riding for so long. It feels like I feel very I don't know if uncomfortable is the word, but I don't feel at home on this WR right now. Oh jeez. Again, I've never been on these trails, so I am not gonna do anything anything crazy, because get down to first. Oh, this is rough. Holy shit. Ah, damn it. I had no idea this was coming. And I'm sliding backwards. Shit. Well, yeah. I definitely did find the f***ing Mecca. And I'm getting whacked in the f***ing face by goddamn branches. Oh, damn. I had no idea this hill was coming. Jesus. I don't even know what's on the other side. Holy crap. So, I think I'm going to cut this video short here. And try to kind of get my bearings with this place, because I am unfamiliar and I got to get down this hill. So, oh geez, this is gonna be rough. I'll get back to you after this. Alright, so I managed to back down this hill again. I had no idea this was coming. Hope nobody takes my bike, but I am gonna run up this. Holy crap. See what's up here before somebody takes my bike. This is crazy. I think I definitely need new tires to get up something like this. Oh god. I can't even walk up it. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh my god. That's sweet. This is a Mecca. Whoa. Holy crap. I will definitely be doing more videos here to improve my skills. Holy shit. Sorry I'm breathing. I just had to see what was up here. Sick. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos at the Mecca of dual sport fundom, I guess.